Thanks again for signing up to nDash. To help you get started, this video is going to provide a quick overview of the nDash platform, covering things like account setup, finding writers, starting assignments, and more. Let's take a look. First, make sure to invite other members of your team in the Group Settings tab. nDash doesn't charge per user, so feel free to add as many people as you want. Users can be added as editors who have full permissions and visibility, or, if you're on the Pro tier, as an in-house writer, where they'll only see assignments sent directly to them. Next, make sure your group has a credit card on file. This gives you the ability to request ideas and start assignments. Remember, nDash doesn't charge anything up front. All payments are made upon assignment completion. Finally, be sure to connect nDash to your existing marketing stack, including CMS platforms like HubSpot or WordPress, or file sharing sites like Dropbox or Google Drive. Next, you'll want to complete your group profile. The group profile acts as a marketing blueprint for writers within nDash and will allow them to onboard themselves more easily to your strategy and pitch you a content idea for your marketing calendar. Once your group profile is complete, be sure to click Request Ideas on the top right-hand corner so that writers in our community are notified that you're looking for some new marketing fuel. When you receive a content idea on nDash, you're able to send a counteroffer to the writer, message them for clarification on the abstract, or you can click Start Assignment if you're ready to get started. If you already have a content idea in mind, you can start an assignment on nDash by clicking on the Create Assignment button on the upper right-hand corner. You can then choose to either send the assignment to the nDash community, where you can choose your favorite applicant, directly to one of your favorite writers, or to an in-house writer. An in-house writer is someone who is currently on your payroll and does not need to receive payment from nDash. To recruit your freelance writing team on nDash, click Writers on the left sidebar followed by All. Here you're able to search writers by industry and keyword. You'll also note that you can see whether the writer comes highly recommended or not. A writer with this badge on their card means that the nDash team highly recommends them for your content projects going forward. On a writer's profile page, you can request an idea, message them with questions, or ask for relevant writing samples. You can also start an assignment with them here. Once an assignment has been started, whether it's from an accepted idea or a direct request, you're connected directly to the writer in the assignment thread. Here you can go back and forth with questions in the comment thread, review drafts in the text editor, and push the content through our integrations. As you'll see here, this is also where you can approve payments to the writer. Once you've gotten the hang of things, be sure to try our Pro plan free for 30 days. Pro users are able to add in-house writers, have longer approval times, and pay lower commission fees to nDash. Additionally, you're able to add groups, which is great for agencies that are looking to build a writing team for each of their clients. If you have questions or would like some additional help getting started, check out our Help Topics page or message our customer success team directly through the platform. Thanks again for signing up.